Vulneraries Part 2. All right, another star of the show in this time is red clover. Here we go, right here. It's often found on roadsides. It's often found in my yard because I don't pull it. I use it for medicine. Amazing, amazing plant for this time. It has blood thinning capabilities and is a vulnerary. It actually is one that has such strong blood thinning capabilities that doctors do warn if you're on blood thinning medication to talk to your doctor, because you might have to have a lower dose of your medication by taking red clover or Trifolium pratense. This one is so yummy to take. It can be taken as tea, it can be taken as tincture, glycerate, put into capsule. It's one of those that I combine with plantain, which we just talked about. I will put this together with red clover and then cleavers, which we're going to talk about next. And this helps with the vulnerary action, which helps to replace viral infected cells. Why does that work? Because if you have Carol, who's been in accounting for 30 years, and she can impart all of her amazing, brilliant wisdom to Emily, who's new on the job, this is the cell-to-cell transfer of knowledge. If you don't have vulnerary action and you have a lot of virus particles that your body's trying to kill off, there will be turbulence. There will be turbulence causing more clotting. That's what turbulence or eddies do. They cause things to run into each other. They cause inflammation. So what we want is ideally strong plants in the vulnerary capacity, but also, like red clover, that has anticoagulant activity as well. The unsung heroes of our time. I'm hoping that this helps you. These plants are a beautiful gift for us, and this is the perfect time to get out here and have a little taste. Also, if you take a little bit of the top, that little white part right there tastes like nectar. Break the mold, take back your health.